Today we decided to make something different, something you can actually just have a list of cooking time and still enjoy a wholesome meal. We're having pasta with some nice mix of ingredients, healthy stuff, very healthy and very yummy as well. We're going to throw in the tuna, we're going to use some paprika, we're going to also use some chia seeds and stuff like that. Just healthy, busting with healthy all the way. So please stay tuned and let's get cooking. If you are a returning subscriber, we really appreciate you and we're so happy you're back to watch again. Please stay watching, and if you're just new, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can always get videos once they arrive. And thank you so much for liking and for sharing. We appreciate it all. So let's get cooking. Here we have a list of ingredients, the multicolored macaroni all the way down to the salt. Let's see them. The multicolored macaroni, lettuce, sweet peppers, apples, sweet corn, tuna, olive oil, raisins, hard-boiled eggs, black pepper, chia seeds or any seed of choice, salad cream to taste, salt to taste, nuts if you like them. Let's start. Here are the multicolored macaroni. I got them from an Indian shop somewhere in Lagos. Some raisins. I used the red and the green grapes, the raisins from that. There we have the lettuce, fresh and green. I'm using only the green peppers, apples, red apple, and a hard-boiled egg. So there's our black pepper. Like I like to grind it while I'm cooking. And here is sweet corn. You can use the one from the cob, fresh from the cob, if you see that. And this is a superfood chia seed. It's 100% natural, this one. They sell this in shops where you can find other nuts and seeds. This is the black and white combined. It's quite nutritious and healthy. You can bake with it as well. Here's the salad cream I picked. I like this because it has a lot of mustard in it. And there's the salt. I start by cooking the macaroni. I pre-boiled water so that the cooking goes faster. So here I'm putting in the water. So feel free to cook it as soft as you like. For me, I added more water, extra water after this, because I don't like it cooking and sticking together. So I like to have excess water so I can drain it out before I start using. And there I'm going to wash up my vegetables and my fruits. I used salt again to scrub the body. Scrubby. Give them a very good thorough rinse. I'm going to go ahead and wash the lettuce. After I wash the lettuce, I drain it. I do this so I don't have excess water in the food. So for you, you can wash it way long ahead of time and dip it in the drain to get all the water out. Another way. And wash it with give it a good rinse. And I set it out, aside on the plate to drain. Don't let any go to waste. I picked every bit of it. So here's our macaroni. About ready. Now it's as soft as I like. For you, you can cook it to be a bit hard or softer. Whatever your choice is, however you like to eat your macaroni, it's fine. But when it's too soft, it tends to crumble in the mix, because you have to give it a mix after adding all the other ingredients. So what I do here, I try to cool it down with the running water to bring it down the temperature. So this is a clean water. I cool it down with this. And this reduces the stickiness after cooking. So now I'll go ahead and use the ice water and cool it further down. Bring the temperature as low as possible. If you have more ice water, please go ahead and ice it some more. So I'll leave it in the drain to get all the water out while I prepare the other ingredients. There I have my mixing bowl. Use something big enough to put all the ingredients so that you can actually turn them around when you're done mixing up. I put in the pasta, the macaroni, it's also pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and chop up the peppers. So I clean it out. I don't like the seeds in the food, so I'm taking all the seeds out. There's the apple. I used half of each of the apples I washed earlier. I removed the seeds as well. This is the half of the green one. There's the egg. I'm going to shell it and get it ready. You can use more eggs or less, or no egg at all if you don't like eggs. And there's the tuna I used. This one came in water, some come in oil. But whatever I do is I toss out whatever content, the water or oil, I toss it out. I don't put it in the food. So I give it a good drain. Make sure the water is all out. Then I put it in the plate. So I'm chopping up the sweet pepper. I like to chop this in tiny bits so that it mixes up well in the dish. You can chop it whatever size you like, you'll still enjoy it. Here's the apple. I chop it the same size as the pepper so that they are all nice in bits in the food. I toss that in too. Chop the lettuce as tiny as you like. If you like it whole leaves in, please pop it in. But I like mine in chopped, so it mixes around very nicely. And there's the tuna. I break them in bits, crush them. You can mash them if you like. You can even blend them up if that's what makes you happy. Just put it in. You can use roasted turkey, chicken, or any roasted animal of your choice. At this point I use tuna. Some I use chicken, some I use turkey, but roasted. Here's the olive oil. Because it's a very heavy oil and it spreads about a bit, so I added just a little sprinkle of it. Feel free to add as much as you like. Olive oil is a healthy oil when consumed raw. So here is a sweet pepper, a sweet corn. Yeah, you can buy this fresh and cook it and get the corn from the cup and use it. And there we have the raisins. as much as you like. There's our black pepper. I like to grind it as I cook. It has better flavor, it retains the flavor than using the powder one, but you can use either if you like. And there we have the chia seeds. I love this seed so much. It's wholesome. It's packed with lots of nutrients and it's so healthy for the heart. I added this bit because the kids are eating. You can pour the whole content if you like. It's yummy and you can bake with it as well. So I'm right ahead cutting the eggs. Decided to chop them with this. It's faster and it's easier, but I still have to cut them back a little bit so that they can get around because I'm using only one egg at this point. You can use more eggs if you like. And there I go with the salad cream. I picked this cream because it has a good mustard base in it. It's different from the regular mayonnaise. This is healthier. So my salt to my taste. You can decide to add salt or not. It will still be nice. Give it a good mix it until you see everything is uniformly combined. Mix it. So again, don't cook the pasta too soft. At this point it will start to crumble. But because it was okay, the texture is still in bits in the way it came in. For some people at this point they will refrigerate it. Sometimes I do that like I'm doing now. I pop it in the fridge to further cool down the temperature for about 10-15 minutes. So you can as well enjoy it without putting it in the fridge. So I brought it out again and I'm ready to taste it. So you can eat it right after mixing it. Pop it in the fridge or until whenever, just whatever suits your palate. So I'm having a bit to taste right now. Let's see what it's about, what it tastes like, this one. So I think it's good. It's nice. You would like it. I liked it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your food.